So here's a tripod that my wife had purchased a couple of years back. Just a little flexible. It's all pretty much plastic. It has a holder for the cell phone. This mounts right up here like this. But the screw had broken off from here. So I tried to Gorilla Glue, tried to JB Weld it. Nothing is working for me. So I'm going to try to take it to the drill press, and I know it's a 1/4 screw. At least I'm 99% sure all of these are 1/4. I can check in my screw bin and double check that. I'm going to take it over to the drill press here, and we'll drill that out and put a 1/4 in all the way through. Okay, so I've set up the 1/4" bit into the chuck, and I'll use this clamp to hold this swivel piece. I'm going to drill right into the hole there. I've got a 1/4 screw here, and we'll get that right down in there so I can mount the camera holder to it. And I can have a tripod mount for my phone to get started here with these videos. Well, we can have a look here. Just finished drilling through, and sure made a mess of the bit, but it did go all the way through, pushed through the JB Weld on the opposite side. So I think that is going to work. I couldn't have asked for that to happen any better. The screw, I've got a 1/4 screw. I think it's 1 1/4. Goes up through the swivel mount, and we will be able to mount this just perfectly onto there and get it back up on here. Put it together and then show a picture at the end. And there we have it, finished product. This will be a handy little tripod to get me started with some of these videos. So take something that was broken and make it work again. Hopefully in the near future I'll be able to get a better tripod, maybe some better equipment, but we'll get started with this.